Namaskar and welcome to Hindustani Raga. Today I will teach you Sool Taal. As you all know that Sool Taal is a 10 matra tal and it has 5 vibhagas of 2 matras each. So when we talk about dugun of any tal, it means we need to present that tal in double speed. Or you can say that we need to cut off the time to half. So Sool Taal is a 10 matra tal. When we divide it by 2, it gives us 5. Which means ki after 5th matra, we need to start its dugun. The tha lay will switch over to the dugun lay. So let's get started and delve into Hindustani Shastriya Sangeet. Dha, dha, din, ta, ke, ta, dha, dha, din, ta, kit, dha, tit, kat, gadi, gana, dha. So this was the dugun of Sool Taal. But sometimes it becomes difficult to take a switch over from tha lay to the dugun lay. So the best way to learn how to make this switch over happen, we should start counting in dugun tal or in double speed. This will help you start the dugun of that particular tal in proper manner and in proper dugun way. Okay, so I will show you that technique, and with the help of this technique your dugun will become a little easier. All right, so as you know that the dugun for Sool Taal starts from 6th matra, so we will speak its bol till 4th matra, and on 5th matra we will start counting in dugun lay or in double speed. Okay, so let's do it. Dha, dha, din, ta. 1, 2. Dha, dha, din, ta. Kit, dha, tit, kat, gadi, gana, dha. Okay, so this was simple. You can, start counting from 3rd matra onwards. Whichever way you find it easier to, show this tal in dugun lay, you can do it that ways. So I hope you've learned dugun of Sool Taal through this technique. Keep practicing it again and again, and definitely you will learn this tal, dugun of this tal, very easily and very quickly. Do share this video with your musical friends and let them also learn Sool Taal in a very different way like this. Okay, so that's it for today. We will see you soon with our another video. Till then, you can keep learning and keep spreading the joy of Hindustani classical music. Namaskar.